Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create an employee monthly absenteeism matrix report in Excel. First, I'm going to create a data table to record the employee daily absenteeism. Add two columns like employee name and the absent date. Now I'm going to add few data in the table. In order to speed up the data entry, I will add a data entry form. By default, Excel does not have this option in the ribbon. However, we can add a form control manually, either under the existing tab as a new group or as a new tab. Before adding, we have to look for the available space in the ribbon. I wish to add the data entry form in the data tab, but I do not have enough space, but I can add in the insert tab, since I will have enough space to add a new group. Okay, now we have decided where to add a from. Next, go to Excel options under File menu. From the Excel options window, select the Customize button. Click the drop down under Choose Command option, and select the commands not in the ribbon. From the shown list, I will look for Form option. Before adding into the Customize ribbon, select the Insert tab, and add a new group. Rename the group as Data Entry. Now select the data entry group, which we have created already, and add the form control. Click OK to close the window. Now you can see the new data entry group under the Insert tab. Select the table, and open the form control, click Add New, and you can continue the data entry. Now you can see that each entry recorded in the new row, and much faster than direct entry on the cell. Okay, now our absenteeism data is ready. Next, we are going to create the monthly absenteeism matrix. The matrix shall be constructed with a column and a row heading. In this example, the column will be represented with unique employee names and the row header will be the date values of the selected month. First, I will add a start date to define the date for the selected month along the row header. Note, the start date should be the first date of the selected month. For example, if I need to extract the absenteeism for the month of January 2021, then enter first date of the month. To generate the date, select the cell F3 and call the start date. Select the next cell G3 and add +1 to the previous date, then drag until we get full month date. Change the date format to show only the date value. Select the date entire row and open the cell format window. Then select the custom option and change the format type. Now I will narrow the column width so that we can accommodate to a single page while printing. Format the row so that it will be look nice in our final report. But if you enter February month date, March month date also will be included. To avoid this, I will modify the formula. The logical is, if the previous date is the last date of the selected month, then I need the formula to return the blank data, else I need to add one day from the previous date. Select the cell G3, and modify the formula to add the logical formula. I will add if function. The logical argument should be check the end date of the month. As said earlier, if the previous date is equal to the end date of the month, then I need the blank data. So, F3 equal, to get the last date of the month I will use Excel AO month function. Start date argument will be the selected date, I will log the by pressing F4 from the keyboard. Next, offset month argument will be 0, since I need the last date of the same month. If it is true, then I need to return the blank, else add one day. Now copy the formula until complete the 1 month date. But still the formula returns errors at the last few date values, because we are trying to add one with the blank cell. So, we required few more modification in the formula. Like, if the previous date value is not blank, then we can add one. Else return blank value. To accomplish this, I will add another if function to the false argument in the existing formula. So if the previous date value is not blank, then add 1. else return blank value. We can use the given symbol for not equal in the logical function. Now copy the formula till we complete the date of the month. Now the error is rectified. Let us change the selected month date. As you can see, now the date is generating only for the selected month. Okay, now we have to extract the unique employee's name in the employee name column. For this I will use Excel unique function. The unique function is available only in the Office 365 subscribers. However, in the older version we can use the index and match function to extract the unique value. In cell E4, enter Excel unique function like equal unique. The array argument will be the employee's name column from the data table. Then close the bracket. It will extract the unique name values. For old version you can use the index and match function to extract the unique name. Please download the practice file from the description to find the formula for older versions. Okay, now we have completed our basic matrix structure. Next, I need to indicate the dates which employee took leave in which dates. For this we can use Countifs function. The Excel Countifs function returns the count of cells that meet one or more criteria. In this example we need to meet the employee's name and the date value with the given name in column and the date in the row header. Okay, now select cell F4 and enter formula like Countifs. The criteria range argument will be the employee's name column from the data. Press F4 key to lock the range. Then the criteria argument is our employee's unique name column. Select E4 and press hash key to select entire array. Then press F4 key to freeze them. Now we have defined our first criteria. Next we will move to define the date value. Enter comma, select the date column from the data table as criteria 2 range argument, then select F3 for criteria argument. Now you can see the formula has returned the value 1 and 0. The value 1 is representing the both employee name and the dates are meet the criteria. Similarly 0 representing where both data did not meet the criteria. Before applying the formula in entire matrix, I will modify the established formula to enhance this matrix readability. For this I will add Excel if function in the existing formula. So, if the logical argument will be the existing Countifs function, if it is true I need to return a dot symbol. For this press Alt key and enter number 7 within the double quote. This is called Alt code in Windows. You may check the link provided in the description to find out more about Windows Alt code. If false, the formula to return the blank. Now copy the formula until we cover whole month. Set the conditional formatting to enhance the matrix more professional. Go to conditional formatting option and expand the highlight cells rules. Then select text that contains option condition. From the new window, enter the dot symbol that we have defined in the matrix. Press Alt +7 from the keyboard, and leave the default conditional formatting. For the final touch I will add the report header and set the printable area to generate monthly matrix report. In order to generate the dynamic month name at the end of the report title, I will use formula to define the report title. To return only the month name, I will use text function to convert the selected month date. Now the month name is returned as lowercase letters. Use Excel upper function to fix this. Next, I am going to set the printable area for the report. Select the ranges where do you want to reflect in the final report. Go to page layout and select set print area option under print area. Now adjust the scale until the vertical dot line shift to the extreme right side of the page. Now open print preview. Now we can print only the required information. Let us provide few data and check the output. As you can see, our dynamic matrix is perfectly updating upon the changes. Okay, we have done it for today. I hope you have learned how to generate report in matrix form in Excel. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments on this tutorial, please mention in the comments section, and please make sure to like the video, and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for more future videos. Have a nice day.